Ever wondered which are the 5 most poisonous snakes in the world? In the vast array of reptiles that roam our planet, snakes have always held a unique fascination. Their slithering grace, their hypnotic gaze, and yes, their deadly venom have captivated our imaginations for millennia. But among these serpents, a select few stand out for their lethal potency. These are the creatures that, with one swift strike, can unleash a cocktail of toxins potent enough to fell even the most robust of beings. Understanding these serpents is not just about satisfying our curiosity, it's about respecting the power of nature and acknowledging the delicate balance that exists within our ecosystem. It's about recognizing the danger, yes, but also appreciating the beauty that resides within these formidable predators. So are you ready to delve into the mysterious world of these venomous marvels? Join us as we unravel the mystery of these fascinating yet deadly creatures. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the boomslang snake. The boomslang, a name that translates to tree snake in Afrikaans, is a species native to sub-Saharan Africa. With its extraordinary ability to blend into the foliage, the boomslang is a master of camouflage, making its home in the treetops. This snake is not one for confrontation, preferring to remain hidden amongst the leaves. It's a diurnal hunter, meaning it's most active during the day, and it feeds mainly on birds, chameleons, and occasionally small mammals. The boomslang is not typically aggressive towards humans unless threatened or cornered. Despite its shy nature, the boomslang is not a snake to be taken lightly. It carries a potent venom that's hemotoxic, which means it attacks the body's red blood cells, disrupting the clotting process and causing internal and external bleeding. This venom is delivered through the boomslang's fangs, which are located at the back of its jaw. The symptoms of a boomslang bite can often take several hours, even up to a full day, to manifest, which can lull victims into a false sense of security. If untreated, the venom can lead to headaches, nausea, and even mental confusion. In severe cases, it can cause hemorrhaging both internally and externally, leading to potential fatalities. However, despite its venomous nature, the boomslang is responsible for a very small number of human deaths. This is largely due to its reclusive nature and preference for treetop habitats away from human interaction. In addition, the boomslang is a slow striker, and its fangs are located at the back of its mouth, making it difficult for the snake to inject its venom fully. So while the boomslang may not be the most lethal snake on our list, it certainly packs a punch with its potent venom. It's a fascinating creature, a testament to nature's ingenuity in combining beauty, stealth, and deadly abilities in one package. Despite its shy nature, the boomslang's venom potency should not be underestimated. At number 4, we encounter the aptly named death adder. The death adder, native to Australia and Papua New Guinea, is a creature of deadly beauty. This snake, unlike others of its kind, prefers to lay in wait for its prey rather than actively hunting. Its camouflaged body blends seamlessly into the leaf litter, making it a master of ambush. The death adder has one of the quickest strikes in the snake world, a feature that makes this reptile even more formidable. In a fraction of a second, it can strike and inject its venom into unsuspecting prey. This rapid-fire action is so swift that the human eye would struggle to perceive it. Speaking of venom, the death adder's is particularly potent. It produces a neurotoxin, a type of venom that impacts the nervous system, causing paralysis and potentially death if left untreated. The venom's effects are swift and severe. Within mere minutes, symptoms can start to appear, beginning with drooping eyelids, difficulty in swallowing, and paralysis. If untreated, this can lead to complete respiratory failure in less than 6 hours. The death adder's bite, while dangerous, is not always fatal to humans thanks to the availability of antivenom. However, getting medical attention quickly is imperative. The speed at which the venom takes effect, combined with the snake's propensity to strike without warning, makes every encounter with a death adder a potentially deadly one. Despite its ominous name and reputation, the death adder plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. By controlling the population of rodents and other small animals, it prevents overpopulation and the spread of diseases. However, it's worth noting that the death adder is not an aggressive species. It's more likely to flee than fight if given the opportunity. So, while it's important to respect and understand the danger this snake represents, it's equally important to remember that, like all creatures, it has its place in the grand scheme of things. The death adder, living up to its name, is a formidable force in the snake world. Coming in at number 3 is the infamous inland taipan. This snake, native to the arid regions of Central Australia, is an elusive creature that embodies the chilling danger lurking within the Australian outback. The inland taipan, often referred to as the fierce snake, is a creature of paradox. It is incredibly shy and reclusive, preferring to slither away at the first sign of human presence. Yet it possesses the most toxic venom of any terrestrial snake in the world. This snake is a master of adaptation. It thrives in the harsh, dry conditions of the Australian interior, where temperatures can soar above 40 degrees Celsius, and rainfall is a rare blessing. Its light brown color allows it to blend seamlessly with its surroundings, making it a stealthy and effective predator. The inland taipan is a specialized mammal hunter. Its diet consists mainly of small rodents, which it tracks down using its keen sense of smell. When it strikes, it does so with frightening speed and precision. Its long, hollow fangs act like hypodermic needles, injecting a potent cocktail of neurotoxins and blood clot-inducing substances into its prey. And herein lies the danger. A single bite from an inland taipan can deliver enough venom to kill 100 fully grown men. Its venom is 50 times more toxic than that of a cobra. The effects are swift and devastating, leading to paralysis, internal bleeding, and, without immediate medical attention, death. Yet, despite its deadly reputation, the inland taipan is not an aggressive snake. It will only attack when cornered or threatened. Fatal encounters with humans are rare, thanks largely to the snake's remote habitat and its preference for avoiding confrontation. However, it's crucial to remember that a chance encounter with this serpent, however unlikely, could have deadly consequences. Ensuring immediate medical attention in case of a bite is imperative, as every second counts when dealing with the venom of the inland taipan. The inland taipan, a hidden danger in the Australian outback, is not a snake to be trifled with. Just missing the top spot, at number 2 we have the eastern brown snake. Known for its agile speed and aggressive nature, this snake is no stranger to the list of the world's most venomous reptiles. Originating from Australia, the eastern brown snake, or Pseudonaja textilis, is a creature you wouldn't want to cross paths with. Distinguished by its slender body and variable colors ranging from pale to dark brown, it can reach lengths of up to 2 meters, but don't let its size fool you. This snake is highly venomous, with its venom ranked as the second most toxic of any land snake worldwide. The venom of the eastern brown snake is a potent cocktail of neurotoxins, blood coagulants, and cardiotoxins. A bite from this formidable predator can cause dizziness, convulsions, renal failure, paralysis, and in severe cases, cardiac arrest. With such adverse effects, it's no wonder the eastern brown snake is responsible for more deaths in Australia than any other group of snakes. While it generally prefers to avoid human interaction, the eastern brown snake is known to strike with deadly precision when threatened. The urgency for medical intervention following a bite cannot be overstated. Anti-venom administration within the golden hour can significantly improve survival rates. The eastern brown snake, a silent killer, holds a deadly reputation. Its potent venom and aggressive nature make it a formidable adversary in the wild, underscoring the importance of treating these creatures with the utmost respect and caution. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the most poisonous snake in the world, the Belcher's sea snake. Lurking in the warm tropical waters of the Indian Ocean and the Gulf of Thailand, this elusive creature thrives. With a slender body, usually less than 1 meter long, and its characteristic light blue stripes, one might be tempted to dismiss the Belcher's sea snake as harmless. Yet this would be a grave mistake. Despite its small size, the Belcher's sea snake packs a venomous punch unlike any other. Its venom, a potent cocktail of neurotoxins and myotoxins, is capable of causing paralysis, muscle damage, and even heart failure. One bite from this deadly creature carries enough venom to kill 1,000 people. Yet it's surprising to know that this snake is not naturally aggressive and only bites when severely provoked. The Belcher's sea snake is a master of its aquatic domain. It can stay submerged for hours, hunting its prey among coral reefs and seabed crevices. Its venomous bite ensures a swift end to any encounter, making it one of the ocean's most efficient predators. So the next time you're enjoying the warm tropical waters of Southeast Asia, remember the Belcher's sea snake. It's a reminder of the delicate balance of beauty and danger that nature so often presents. The Belcher's sea snake, a true embodiment of small but deadly, reigns supreme as the most poisonous snake.